southwestern Huntington County in northeastern Indiana, southeastern Wabash County, northwestern Grant County, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over 8 miles west of Marion, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flying debris to the mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows,
tornado warning.
tree damage is likely. The state Marion around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sweets around 8:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. LaFontaine around 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the tornadic storm include Herbs, and CLP and cover now.
Tornado.
Move to a basement or an
What are
interior
we
room
doing
on
next
the lowest
time? I
floor
think
of
this
a
is
certain
going to be a
building.
double-header, guys.
Avoid windows.
Isn't it
If you
already
are
a
outdoors,
double-header?
in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
This is a...
Grant and Miami. This is NOAA All Hazard